Like I said, you failed the test, and if you fail to come back, things will not go well.
This isn't a warning shot. It's the court drawing a hard line in the sand. Miss the drug test or fail to show up, and it's over. No second chances. That's bond revoked and jail time waiting. The stakes couldn't be higher.
8/14/23, assault of a family member. 6/9/24, violation of protective order, assault bodily injury. February of 24, assault of a pregnant person, for which you're on deferred now, and now you've picked up, stand charged with criminal mischief. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. So 1, 2, 3 months. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present.
Yes, Judge. The defendant was traveling with the complainant to go see the defendant's child with his child's mother. The defendant continued attempting to be sexual with his child's mother.
February.
Let's add it up. 6 separate cases: assault, protective order violations, criminal mischief, all piling up in just a few months. In a TV series, we'd call this a downward spiral. In real court, judges call it a dangerous pattern, and patterns shape decisions about freedom.
And walked and followed the complainant to the Kroger, driving and struck her window multiple times with a rock, causing damage to her vehicle. Estimated damage was $300.
Who is the complaining witness in this case?
The complaining witness is also a pregnant person.
Tell me he's not supposed to have contact with this complaining witness?
It's malfunctioning, so sometimes.
Felicia, tell me what's going on with
The rock, the hood, the iPad. Total chaos on the surface, but legally, it's much worse. The alleged victim is under court protection. If a no-contact order was active, this moment alone could trigger an entirely new felony charge.
And now you've picked up with criminal mischief. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now sending you for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system. If you fail to go take the test, if you fail to come back, I'm going to revoke your bond, and I'm going to make a GPS monitor, because I'm ordering you not to have contact with this person, and you've shown repeatedly that you are incapable of following bond conditions. And I'm going to put a theft. You're not to have any weapons. You're not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. And I'm going to test you repeatedly so I know that you're not using, but I'm failed to come back. Things will not go well. Do you understand, Mr. Woods? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Take a seat for me.
It's malfunctioning, so sometimes.
Felicia, tell me what's going on with Mr. McCollum now.
So, I believe on the 2nd, we lost service until the 5th. It went off again for about 6 hours. I reached out to get the specific times, but I haven't heard back yet on that. But it was off for a confirmed 6 hours. And we have received City 49 to have the device inspected as well. And if they have any issues with that, they're instructed very thoroughly to let us know.
Yeah, I keep my charger wet when I get in the shower.
You keep your charger on you, but you don't use the charger because it has gone dead over and over. And I don't care if you come here with a baby.
I'm the only one that could watch them right now.
What's going to happen if you go to jail? These are things that you think about when you're in the free world, and what happens to you.
I did call them and tell them that I think it's a malfunction on my team. They said they could see my signal, and they give me.
You repeatedly have I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I'm going to call this people. But you are, though. The device has gone dead. We're here. What am I supposed to do?
I was unaware of it being dead. I put it on the
She's
charger.
telling me they reached out to you.
No, they do. Every time they call me, I put it on the charger. They call me. They do call me and put me
On the charger, Mr. McCollum.
Sometimes I'm at school. A lot of times a day I can't charge it at school. My charger is not close to my barber station,
So why can't you
charge it? So it's not that I'm not trying not to charge. I do try to charge it every day.
Judge, I would ask if the court would instruct him to go. There's something wrong for them to put.
I'm putting him in jail. I don't know what you're going to do with this kid, man.
I haven't done anything wrong, sir. I promise. I go to
But you
school.
have done something wrong. You've repeatedly done something wrong.
This is what I do. Like I go to school.
How does the
every day.
monitor let him know that it's dead?
So, we send messages, and then I also see, a few
They-
times
they
we
do
send
send-
siren messages informing the client to charge the battery. as
And they
well.
call me and I answer the phone and I charge it. I charge it every time they call me. I'm not making no excuse. This is what I do. I go to school every day. And I just
But the machine tells me something different, Mr. McCollum. That's the reality.
ask if we could get can we get it inspected and get it checked out, please? Because I know it's not.
That is what you're supposed.
I did call them and it's on record. I
You
did call them.
calling has nothing. It doesn't do anything. You have to actually go down to the place and have it served.
I promise. I called them. They told me it was no malfunctions because it was going off at first when I was at school one time. I said, "What's wrong with it?" I've never been on ankle monitor before, so I said, "What's wrong with it?" I called them. They said, "Yeah." I went to a place next door to my school and I tried to charge, and they said they still not getting signal from me. They still weren't getting signal. So if we can get it changed or get it looked at least,
Judge, I would ask if he could get a new device, if we could reset this a week, and if
Here's what we're going to do. I'm now sending you for a drug and alcohol test. I want to know tomorrow. Don't come with a baby. Do you understand me?
Sir,
Don't come back here with the baby.
sir,
Because if you're here, do you understand?
sir.
But here, whoever you are, I don't care who you are, we will hold you accountable. Shout to you ad nauseum to tell you that there are issues. And you coming here and telling me, well, I don't know about this. I don't know. It's disingenuous.
just go to 49
Where,
San
I don't-
Jacinto,
where is that?
49 San Jacinto.
First thing is first, I'm sending you for a drug and alcohol test. And then I'll have you go to this place to see if there actually is something wrong. You will be back here tomorrow. Understand? Okay, hon.
Child.
I'm going to take a drug test today.
Yeah, I can
Tell
send
you,
the
man.
appointment, but they won't allow him to with the child.
I go with
Date, it went off again for about 6 hours. I reached out to get the specific times, but I haven't heard back yet on that. But it was off for a confirmed 6 hours, and we have received.
Do you have someone?
Pissing on my leg and telling me it's raining. When a judge drops language like that, the patience is gone. That's the sound of excuses running out and consequences moving in fast.
So, I believe on the 2nd, we lost service until the 5th.